Philippines!
Good morning everything. So ngayon guys, balik tayo sa trabaho. Nagbihis ako ng pang ano natin, pang garden na damit. So ngayon, si Tammy gumagawa ng macaroni salad kasi I think yung kaibigan niya na si Rich, I think napunta yun dito. Hindi ko alam, hindi pa sure, pero so let's see kung darating ba yung kaibigan niya dito. And so tayo, mag-garden lang ako guys. Let's see, tanungin natin si Mr. mamaya kung anong plano. Anong plano niya? Ito, ilagay ko lang yan sa taas. Ang talo natin. Nakakapagod magpunta sa second floor. Kaya dito ko hinahang yung mga kailangan kong ano dito. Bakit hangin dito? Bakit windy? Open ba yung ano? Teka muna ha. Tingnan natin kung open ba itong bathroom. Maginaw kasi. Iwan ko kailan pa yung summer, spring na guys, pero mainit pa. Mainit, maginaw pa kasi sa labas eh. Mamaya maging 60, 65, 70. Mamaya pa hapon. Nagutom ako sa garden. I'm hungry. I need to cook rice quick.
Oh, get the rice cooker out. How do you like that?
Amazing. Han, why everything is wet? That's why he's not been here. He's always wet everywhere. So how's that? So tomorrow Red's coming?
Maybe.
Why you said maybe?
Well, because he says that.
Oh, rice. We're gonna go later anyway. You know what? We have to stop in the mulch area, and then we're gonna get some string beans.
Yeah, I want to make string beans with onion and I put
Huh?
onion macaroni salad. He always eats that. So, I don't know. Maybe you don't like big onion. I don't know, but
Kalohan is your friend.
yeah, it's not time yet. How do you know
Nagutom
that?
talaga ako, guys.
I know you're looking at me like, wait, what?
Big enough. What time is it? Han, did you turn the vent, Han, please? We're gonna ruin the thing.
You
So
know that doesn't do anything, right?
at least it's gonna push away from the wood. Yeah, believe it when I... Oh, okay. So, marami sa inyong nagsasabi about sa ano, sa rice, kung paano lutuin. So, ngayon, tapusin ko muna itong mga white rice natin kasi Tammy keep buying white rice. So, white rice muna tayo. Is that the olives even enough?
I don't know.
Ang totoong buhay namin, guys, is ako yung taga-linis sa paligid at siya yung taga-luto at taga-hugas ng pinggan. Siya yung babae, ako yung lalaki. You don't even understand.
No.
So, he's cooking and cleaning. Me, I'm outside. It's backward. He likes to be inside.
I don't like to be inside. I just don't like garden.
He loves
I don't
gardening.
play with weeds.
Yeah, I know he doesn't like gardening. And I love gardening. And he like cooking. So, he stay inside, I stay out. Ang lubot ni paring
I go out to the grass,
Yeah, you cut the grass.
trim edges, but I'm not going to sit there and plant weeds.
Guys, nakapasok ako. Nagmamadali si Tammy. Kinuha ako nagmamadali siya. Kinuha ako sa labas. Nataranta si Mister kasi may coyote. Malapit lang sa akin. So, ginoo ko. Makakain tayo nito ng coyote. Atakir ba yung coyote? Atake ng tao. Galing daw dito o sa gilid. And then dito ako sa harapan. And then galing daw dito. Tumuyok. Basta, nagpunta doon. Palikod na naman sa akin. So, yan si Tammy. Nataranta. Ay, nataranta si Mister. Sabi pa niya, pasok! May coyote! So, kaya pala yung si Roxy nataranta din si Roxy. Gusto nang magwala. So, ginoo ko, nataranta ako. Ito talagang si Tammy. Kasi lumabas agad na, Han, come in, cutie! Sabi ko, patay! Nagtatanim ako doon ng pakita ko nga sa'yo. Natakot talaga ako, guys. Saan dito pa yun ba? Ay, mag-check muna tayo bago tayo uupo doon. Kasi upo tayo doon. Kasi andito daw yun eh. Dito sa gilid. So, hopefully marinig ninyo ako guys kasi sobrang hangin. So, ito yung mga tinanim ko kahapon. Kahapon ito, doon. And, ito na naman, itong tinanim. Ito yung tinanim ko. Nilagyan ko ng lupa yung kahoy, guys. Kasi kawawa, guys. Yung parang wala masyadong ano ba. So, ngayon, ang ginagawa ko, guys, is, look, tinanim ko around the tree. And, meron pa doon sa kabila. Ipakita ko sa inyo, ha. Tapusin ko lang muna to. Ito yung tinanim ko dyan, guys, oh. Yung 4. Look. And, ito naman dito sa kahoy. Buti na lang nilagyan ko ng ano dito, yung tawag nito, lupa. Kasi, kawawa yung kahoy. Ito, nabubuhay naman siya. Ito, nabuhay naman siya, guys. Meron pa pala akong itanim, oh. Yung isa dyan, itanim ko pa yan. Tapos na ako sa harapan, naglilinis. Ngayon, we supposedly going out for the mulch to ask what we need and how much. But he's not moving. Yun, nag-ano din ako, nag-cut ng damo sa likuran. Nag-cut ko kasi ang taas na. I'm not washing my hair every freaking day. As in, naawa na talaga ako sa buhok ko. And, of course, bukas, pupunta yung kaibigan ni Tamimoy. Maaga daw darating. So, tignan natin anong mga ganap. Ngayon, nalabas daw itong mamaya mamili. A gas?
Okay, yes.
Why? Han! He cannot even talk.
You get gas? The water around the house, you get gas?
Okay, let's go out in the front. I wanna hang out with you out there. You just staying home.
Back.
Why not in the front?
I don't know, why not in the back? You just cut.
Napagplanuhan ni Mr. na ikakat yung ano ko, parang fence, pero hindi siya fence. Ang tawag niyan is, iwan ko. Ganito si Tami, may upuan para sa gamit, at saka may pang-hold. So, hindi na yan magtuwad baliskad, kasi nag-hold na. Kakaiba din si Tami, ano. Meron na tayong kural. Kural. Kular. Ah, grabe si Tami. Unique talaga itong asawa ko. Unique, eh.
Of course.
What happened? Which one? This one too, probably.
All of them. I should use a wider wood.
Oh, that one can hold. That one is fine. It's holding. It's holding really strong. Ito na, maliit na siya. Ilagay na natin siya dito. Pag meron na tayong pang-ugsok. Yan. Nag-ano ako guys, naglagay ako ng fancy. Okay, tapos na. Tignan natin kung anong oras si Tami. Tignan niyo yung mukha. Kasi kung anong oras siya gustong umalis. Kasi mag-ano pa daw siya, bili-bili. So, let's see. Ito-drive ko na lang siya. Ayaw akong sumama. He's here in the office! The bug. Sorry, little boy. Sorry, bug. Sorry, bug. Mamaya pa yan, aalis gabi. So, yan. And, finally, magtatanim na lang ako ng zucchini. And then yun. I don't even think about dinner. I think the garden. Oh my God. Kahit ida-drive ko lang siya. Mga sinuot ko naman ito. Ito sinuot ko na. Ito sinuot ko na. Ito hindi pa ko talaga nasuot. So, nag-ano lang ako kasi maginaw-ginaw sa labas. And I'm going to the basement to get some turkey for my little boy. So, hinihintay ko lang si Mister kung kailan siya mag-ready. Bago yan, punta tayo sa baba. Is it okay with you? I'm going to mix the salad with the seasoning you have. And then we get some lamb. Okay. What is that now? Okay, what is that? Mga mulch guys. Yan black mulch. Meron din silang mga light brown. Not light brown. They have brown. They have black. They have red.
This guy right here.
Huh?
Perfect.
Okay, the guy is right there.
You got enough of your milk left?
Oh yeah, you have to get that milk.
Anything else you want to tell me? What?
That's it. What else do you need? String beans, huh?
What?
String beans. Oh my God, si Tami pumasok sa tindahan walang mask. Ang tigas talaga ng ulo nitong asawa ko. Ganyan yan siya, guys. Ayaw talaga niyang mag-mask. So, tignan natin kung may sisitahin ba si Tami. Kasi ayaw talaga niyang mag-mask. Kasi nahirapan siyang huminga talaga as in. Siya yung tao na hihinga sa bibig, hindi sa ilong. Kaya, nahihirapan siya. Stricto pa naman itong mga ano dito sa ShopRite. Yung mga manager dito, stricto pa naman. So, sana. Hindi ako sasama kasi ano guys, hindi ko fit. He's still not wearing mask. Tignan nyo yan. Hindi pa rin siya mask. Itatanungin natin. Let's see kung anong bili niya. Tignan natin kung anong nabili. Eggs. He got 2 dozen of eggs. And of course, freaking Dove ice cream. Dove, that's a baby ice cream. And of course, the cereal. Hala. Nakalimutan ko yung cereal ko. Cereal milk. String beans. And he's still buying Gatorade. He buy a lot of Gatorade. There's no lamb? Oh, he got lamb. Okay, he got cheese. He got some pepperoni, cheese, and whatever is that. Ala, 3 dozen. Why you get 3 dozen? Pagkagahig, alimpatak talaga. I tried to call you.
Yeah.
To wear mask.
I have a mask.
You don't wear your mask.
I did.
You did finally?
I put it on in the store. I want to see if anybody else is not wearing a mask. I always check that.
Hun, you see people here. Look, even they're outside. They're wearing masks. Okay, I'm itching
sometimes
so
I go in the
bad.
store and I wait for them to tell me to put on a mask, but
What? Han, it's better to have mask cover our face.
yeah, okay.
To cover our face. No. You buy a freaking Dove, baby Dove. And also you get
They were on sale for $1.49.
And also, why you get 3 dozen of eggs?
Because I'm going to use 1 dozen.
Okay, listen.
You got like 4 eggs left.
How many lamb you're getting?
They didn't have the rack. They only had the regular lamb chops.
Yeah, the lamb chops I'm talking about.
Yeah, and they were pretty small, so I got... Yeah, I'll do a couple sips here and there.
Sips, but you have a lot in
I'll
there.
drink a bottle a day. I'll drink. It was in the 0 spot. It's like the 0 were on sale. It was where the zeros were, but it wasn't the 0.
So stop buying now. You still have a lot in there. Okay, guys. So guys, I forgot to tell you. Tommy ordered already mulch. What is that?
Yards.
6 yards. Ang dami guys pala ng 6 yards. Grabe, ang dami. So hopefully it's a perfect, you know, whatever. We have a little bit of extra, but 6 yards, how much, honey? 230. 237. Yun. So, yun. And then they will deliver. They won't deliver tomorrow because it's raining.
Well,
so,
he would have delivered tomorrow, but he said it's up to me.
Ano lang ako guys, magluluto tayo ng lamb. Kasi gusto ko ng lamb. Egg para sa ano din niya. Tawag nun. Para sa macaroni salad na ginawa niya kanina. So, yun. Nakalimutan kong bumili ng ito, oh. Butter. Tignan, di ba? Ang tagal para bang ako'y binubulang. Ganon, itlog, at saka ito, and then lamb. Sinisison ko na yung lamb, yung naka-ibabaw lang. Good evening na guys. Katulog ko na ko, 9:07 na. Gusto ko nang matulog. Si Tommy, sleeping already. So, ginising ko. Sabi ko, wake up, earthquake.
You have your bar that you kept?
Oh, yeah, no, I'm full though. I don't want to. And I brushed my teeth already, so. The Dove, guys, Dove. I'm going to end the vlog. Salamat guys sa panonood. Ngayong araw, boring, di halahan. You cannot eat fruits going to bed. I told, every night na lang yun. I told you not to eat fruit before go to bed.
You haven't given me a good reason why.
See, guys, comment down below why it's not good to eat fruit before going to bed, and I will let Tommy read it, okay? So anyway, good night, guys. Good night, honey.
Night, guys.
Good night, guys. See you tomorrow. I will see you guys tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. Good night.